In this session, we are going to start Python for data science. Okay, so we already know the Python programming language foundation concept will be covered in this course. Okay, you will be able to start developing your own Python application once you have finished the 4 modules of this chapter. We already know the Python is still the most wide used high-level open source programming language according to the recent studies. It's a programming language that runs everywhere and is strong, quick and dynamic. In addition, learning it is a very simple, interactive and object-oriented. It allows everyone to write programs, okay? It's work especially well for scientific computing and web development. It is very helpful for data visualization thanks to its extensive libraries. We already know in Python there is so many libraries we can easily call it. Likewise, data analytic, the numerous new features of Python 3 are covered in this course. There are 4 modules in it. So, writing a first programming in a Python is where we all start. After that, we will go into great detail on types, expansion, variable, string and string operations. The second module will introduce you to the list, tuples, set and dictionary that makes a Python's data structure. One of the most important categories of data structure is Python is list and tuples, sometimes known as compound data types. Collection including things like sets and dictionaries. The essentials of Python programming including condition, branch, loops, function, objects and classes will be covered in this third module. You will learn how to utilize comparison and logic operation if statement. For and while loops, some of the Python's built-in function as well as how to design your own function and create objects and classes using object construction and attributes. Finally, we will demonstrate how to interact the data in Python in the 4 module. Learn how to load, interact with and save the data in pandas. Okay, we already know in Python there is a library called pandas. Okay, and we will see how to load the data. Suppose if we have if we have file in the form of txt, text form, or in CSV form, or basically we will deal with txt or CSV files. Okay, so we will look into it and interact with and save that in the pandas as well. How to read and write the open method. Put what you learn into practice using Jupyter Notebook. Although there is a lot to cover, if you put all these ideas in practice, you will be on your way to using Python in your own application. You will be using Python in no times. We are confident of it. So set your headphones appropriately and let's begin. We will meet soon. Thank you.